If you're trying to decide between LiveAgent and Zoho Desk, you've probably realized there's no clear winner at first glance. Both claim to be the best help desk software, but which one actually delivers? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. And if neither is the best option, I'll reveal a better alternative that you can try for free. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Zoho Desk has a clean interface, especially if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. But for new users, it has a learning curve. Some features feel buried under menus, and setting up automations can be frustrating. LiveAgent, on the other hand, is more straightforward. It's built around ticketing, and while the interface looks a bit outdated, it's easier to get started with. However, the downside is that it can feel cluttered with too many options in one place. Next thing, ticket management. Both platforms handle tickets well, but differently. Zoho Desk lets you automate workflows, assign tickets based on custom rules, and integrate with other Zoho apps. But some automations are locked behind higher tier plans. LiveAgent shines with real-time chat and call center functionality built in, making it ideal if you handle a high volume of live interactions. However, its reporting features aren't as in-depth as Zoho's. The third thing, pricing. LiveAgent has a cheaper starting plan, but it quickly gets expensive if you need advanced features. Zoho Desk has a free plan, which is great for small teams, but the real value comes in its paid tiers. The problem? Some features you'd expect at a lower price point are locked behind higher plans. So while both can be affordable, the costs add up depending on what features you actually need. The fourth thing, integrations. Zoho Desk is part of the massive Zoho ecosystem, meaning seamless integration with Zoho CRM, Zoho projects, and other tools. But outside of Zoho, integrations can be hit or miss. LiveAgent integrates well with third-party tools like Slack, Shopify, and WordPress, making it more flexible if you're not tied to a single ecosystem. Final thing, customer support. Zoho Desk offers support, but with limited availability depending on your plan. LiveAgent, ironically for a help desk software, has had mixed reviews about its own support. Some users report great experiences, while others struggle to get timely responses. So which one is the best help desk software? If you need deep automation and CRM integration, Zoho Desk is the better choice. If you prioritize real-time chat and call center features, LiveAgent has the edge. But after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative that offers the best of both worlds without the downsides. If you want the most effective help desk software, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. See you in the next one.